we are motor sailing from Wardreg Wells to Staniel Cay. Conditions are pretty nice out here today. Just kind of going into the wind a little, so we can't sail without the motor off, but it's all right. Nice day, and there's a lot of cool things in Staniel Cay. The Pig Beach, the Thunderball Grotto that was in the James Bond movie Thunderball, and there's also outboard mechanics. All right, we put our anchor down here at Staniel Cay. Looks like Pig Beach is right there, and there's a big fish that I've seen swimming around the boat. A couple of them. Maybe those are rays. There's another one over there, making me wonder about diving on the anchor. Look, Lindy, look at this right here. One there, and one there. I think I make kayak on the anchor.
Can you
just back down real hard?
So take the remote.
Yeah.
Okay, push the down button.
Okay.
Stop.
Lindy is our anchoring specialist here on holiday.
I'll let you go.
All right, so today we are going to go check out the pigs at the Pig Beach over there. We've got the outboard lugged up to the marina, and they're working on it today.
So we're coming up here to Pig Beach.
Well, that one's kind of big there. I'm a little nervous. This is bizarre.
I think they like carrots.
We had fun feeding the pigs and even got them to do a few tricks. Oh, good job, Lindy. The big pink ones were definitely the most aggressive. I like the rules here of Pig Beach. Do not ride the pigs or feed the pigs by hand. Seems like everybody does. Absolutely no beer or alcohol to be given to the pigs. They state that like maybe it's been tried before. With some time to kill while the outboard motor was being worked on, some other activities we had planned for the day was more kayak exploring and then heading over to a friend's boat for some relaxing. So we're kayaking around a little bit, just sort of checking out the shore here right next to our anchorage, because we had seen some like holes in the rock that looked sort of like caves. So we're gonna paddle up here and see what it's all about. What do you think, Lindy? How far back does it go? Wow. That's pretty cool. So what's going on, guys? What are we about to do here?
Floaty party.
Floaty party. All right. Staniel Cay floaty party on the sailing vessel Emily. Am I saying that right? Amelie. With our friends Will and Danielle. We had an awesome afternoon, but it turned out that the dinghy motor couldn't be repaired. Too much time in the salt water, and I hadn't had any way to flush it out between uses. We went about ordering a new, more powerful motor to be brought over on the mailboat from Nassau. So it's Get the New Dinghy Motor Day here. Woohoo! Look at this perfect timing. There comes the mail boat with the new motor, right as we're coming up to the dinghy dock. Oh yeah, we finally got the new engine.
Chubby, who helped me order the motor and is helping me put the motor on the dinghy here, was born in 1968,
pretty.
the same year the old Evinrude was made. He told me he had a motor exactly like it when he was a kid, and would like the old one to display as a souvenir at his house. I decided to give it to him the same way it had been given to me by my friend Dobe, since I didn't have anywhere to store it on holiday.
All right, we got Chubby here.
And this is the last time you'll ever see this engine, but buddy,
That's right.
I'll never forget you for sending this engine out here to me.
That's right. He's talking to you, Dobe. This is gonna stay here on Staniel Cay
Tell him
forever.
if he ever comes to Staniel, ask for this engine and I'll find it for him.
There you
Tell him
go.
it's my souvenir.
There you go, Dobe.
From Doug.
Now you got to come to Staniel Cay to see your engine. Thanks, Chubby. Oh, she's purring like a kitten.
Check out the new Yamaha.
Finally, with a working dinghy motor, we spent a few more days tooling around Staniel Cay before heading on to Black Point Settlement.
So we've left Staniel Cay. We've got sails up about 200 yards out of the anchorage, which I'm super excited about, to Black Point Settlement. So we're just going to kind of slowly sail over there.
It's supposed to be a perfect example of out island Bahamas community, a place where some people live. Also reported to have the best laundromat in the Exumas, possibly the Bahamas.
And great baked bread.
Great baked bread. I'm looking forward to both clean clothes and some Bahama bread.
I am too. I am too. Now this is cruising right here. Broad reach and light winds. Lindy, you having an enjoyable sail so far?
Yeah, absolutely.
Cool. Me too. So we're anchored here now at Black Point Settlement. Lindy's whipping us up a little lunch of homemade bread, peanut butter, and jelly. Looks like that's maybe the end
The
of...
last of Ashley Bracken's strawberry jelly, so
man,
now we'll have to go to store-bought.
that's kind of sad.
I know.
So this is Black Point Settlement. We got two other sailboats anchored in here now besides us, and there'll be a third arriving shortly. Our friends Dan and Jackie on Pleasant Living, who we haven't seen since Boot Key Harbor a couple months ago. I think that this is Pleasant Living coming in here. These guys are playing Holiday by Madonna as they come up. That is awesome. They've got it blaring where we can hear it.
We were super excited to see our friends Dan and Jackie. They had come to the Bahamas about a month before us, and we knew that eventually we'd cross paths and get to hang out. We waited around while they got their anchor set, then both jumped in our dinghies to go check out the town. On shore, Black Point Settlement looked like a really cool place, and we were excited to swap some sailing stories of our times in the Bahamas, and go in search of the fresh Bahamas bread we'd heard about.
While we waited out, really crappy weather. So that was nice, and that like kind of rejuvenated me.
They're not like what's the castle.
So it's so this if you need to stay.
There you go.
Oh, no, keep talking. Just act normal. Pretend there's not a camera on. Here we've stopped by Lorraine's. Makes bread here, and we're going to get some in the morning.
Take a picture, Dandy.
So we had fun walking around. We're hanging out on holiday. We've been playing some dominoes. Lindy's going to be cooking some dinner tonight. Watch the sunset. Look at it melt into the water. Well, that's beautiful. It's not good to stare at the sun. Are you staring at it?
Not anymore.
Jackie, did you stare too long?
What do you mean?
Dan, are you staring too long at the sun?
Yes, maybe.
He can't see straight anyway. He sees two
I
sides
think,
at this
I
point.
think I stared too long at the sun.
We watched a beautiful sunset, had some yummy dinner, then went back to our game of dominoes.
Gotta do it. Gotta do your head.
Why are you guys acting differently than you were a few moments ago? Oh, they're back at it.
Wait, what am I supposed to do?
Holy, look at that spider. It's right there by your beer.
So we've been watching this little shark swim around our boat, but he's just been hanging around here for an hour. We saw one last night. We think it'd be maybe the same one. Is that a shark? That doesn't look like a shark. Somebody please tell me that that's not a cobia swimming under my boat and I didn't even try to catch him. What is that thing? I didn't look at this video till a couple of months later and I'm still not sure what it is. After watching the fish, we decided it was time to go check out that laundromat Lindy was excited about. Pretty cool.
So we got our laundry started here at Rockside Laundry. And we're just gonna hang out here, maybe do a little reading, and watch the view while the clothes wash. Not a bad place to wait for laundry, I don't think.
The next day it was time to really test out the new dinghy motor. We decided to go a few miles in either direction with Dan and Jackie in search of iguanas, caves, and a beach to hang out at.
So we think we found the caves, and we know we found iguanas. There's an iguana right behind that rock there.
Look, they're all coming. That one's running. Iguanas!
They're coming right for us. We come bearing no gifts for you, iguanas. Warning, endangered iguanas. Protected by Bahamian law. Do not feed iguanas. Do not chase or catch iguanas. No, no goats, dogs, cats, or any pets on key. No goats. That's the first one it says.
Leave your pet goat. Oh my
Now,
God.
ready?
In,
What?
Oh, he did it. Do it again. I think he does not want to mate with you.
After Dan challenged the big iguana and lost, we decided it was time to go in search of the caves that were supposed to be around the area.
Hey, Mr. Iguana. Don't jump on me. Hey guys, I found a cave.
The cave was small but pretty cool with some stalactite or maybe stalagmite activity. Not sure which one it was.
Huh. And it opens up.
After checking out the cave, we climbed the hill to see the always beautiful Exuma Sound and the cut connecting it to the bank's side. After that, it was time to head in search of the perfect beach. And I think we just might have found it. loved our time in Black Point Settlement and loved getting to see Dan and Jackie. We were on a roll of having some perfect times and were ready to go in search of some more.